First, I want to share with you some of the outcomes that learners will gain or benefit from by attending this course. Are receiving a top level trainer. We have given this course in Cleveland. We've given this course in Maryland. We've given this course to a number of nonprofit organizations. So it's been refined over time. And so you're receiving a top level trainer, myself and others, who have put this together for you specifically to help those who want to create change. It's going to help you create an action plan for mobilizing your community. It's going to provide a better understanding of how policy strategies work and how to impact so that they can further your cause. We're going to give you a game plan on how to crop up leadership inside your organization and outside your organization. This is an organizing how-to type of course. You're going to be learning from the successful campaigns of this grassroots nonprofit organization who has created enormous change and had statewide bills signed by governors, countywide bills signed by county commissioners, local board of education's policies and practices changed, all because of the work of Racial Justice Now and its leadership. We're also going to talk about a little funding strategies. You might say a funding strategy 101. So with all of that said, again, I'm H.A. Jabbar, co-executive director of Racial Justice Now, and we're going to begin and get into our course.